Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Grade 4 Mathematics class. Today, let's learn how we can convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction and then how a mixed fraction can be converted to an improper fraction. So let's first see the conversion from improper fraction to mixed fraction. There are a few steps involved. The first step is to divide the given numerator by the denominator. Then you will get one quotient, a remainder, and you have a divisor and a dividend. And after the division of the numerator by the denominator, you have to take the quotient obtained as the whole number and the remainder as the numerator and the divisor as the denominator for writing the mixed fraction. So there is a small formula which you can by heart. It is the quotient into remainder by divisor. This is the formula for writing a mixed fraction from an improper fraction. So let's see with an example. Convert 13 by 2 into a mixed fraction. So here you have an improper fraction given and this is the numerator and this is the denominator. The first step is to divide the numerator by this denominator. Let's do the division. Now 13 divided by 2. How many 2's will go in 13? Let's recite the table of 2 and we get 2 6's are 12. So let's write that here and 2 6's are 12. Writing the numbers properly, subtracting them, we get 1 as the remainder. No more digits to bring down also. So there we get a remainder 1. Now we have a quotient, a remainder, then the divisor and the dividend. So with the formula Q into R by D, we can write the mixed fraction corresponding to the given improper fraction. So we have this quotient 6, the remainder 1 and the divisor 2. Therefore, 13 by 2 written as a mixed fraction would be Q. Q is the number 6 into R, remainder 1 and then the divisor 2. So it is 6 1 by 2. Let's see one more example. Convert 17 by 5 into a mixed fraction. So the first step is to do the division of the numerator by the denominator. So it's 17 divided by 5. 5 1's are 5, 5 2's are 10, 5 3's are 15. So let's take 5 3's. So it is 5 3's here, 5 3's are 15. Subtracting the numbers, we get 2 as the remainder. So what is the formula for writing a mixed fraction? The quotient into the remainder by the divisor. The quotient here is 3 and the remainder here is 2 and the divisor here is 5. So the corresponding mixed fraction to this given improper fraction is 3 2 by 5, where 3 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder and 5 is the divisor. Hope this is clear to you. Now, let's see how we can convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Here also a few steps are involved. Let's see the steps. So the first step is to multiply the whole number of the mixed fraction with its denominator. Then you get a product and you have to add the numerator of that mixed fraction to this product obtained. Multiply the whole number with the denominator, then add that product to the numerator. So the new number obtained is your numerator for the improper fraction and you write the new numerator with the same denominator. So let's see that with an example. Convert 3 1 by 3 into an improper fraction. So you have a whole number part which is 3 and the fractional part 1 by 3. And what is the first step? The first step is to multiply the whole number and the denominator, which is 3 into 3 here. And what is 3 into 3? That is equal to 9. Then you have got a product here. You have to add this product to the numerator. So that would be 3 into 3, 9 plus 1. And 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now this number obtained is the new numerator or the numerator for the improper fraction. Then you have to write this number with the same denominator. So this is the number obtained for the numerator part of the improper fraction. So, the improper fraction will be 10 by the same denominator, which is 3. So, the improper fraction corresponding to the mixed fraction 3, 1 by 3 is 10 by 3. Let's see one more example. Convert 7, 2 by 9 into an improper fraction. So, the whole number is 7 and the fractional part is 2 by 9. First step is to multiply the whole number and the denominator. So, that is 7 into 9, which is equal to 63. And then you have to add that number to the numerator. So, it is 7 into 9 or 9 into 7, 63 plus this 2. That is 63 plus 2 is equal to 65. And then you have to write the number obtained with the same denominator. So, that would be 65 by 9. Hence, 7, 2 by 9, which is a mixed fraction, when converted to an improper fraction, will give you the fraction 65 by 9. Hope this is clear to you. Now, let's do one activity. All of you please take your maths textbook and turn to page number 96. You can see this question, which is part of exercise 6.4, and let me read out the question to you. Write the mixed fraction to represent the pictures and then convert it into an improper fraction. So, you can see 3 questions here. The first set, you have 3 whole apples given here and 1/2 apple. 1/2 or 1 by 2 of an apple. So, how would you write the corresponding mixed fraction? 3 whole apples means the whole number part is 3 and then 1/2 or 1 by 2 of an apple. So, let's write that 1 by 2. So, the corresponding mixed fraction is 3, 1 by 2. Now, how would you change it to an improper fraction? 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So, that is 7 by 2. So, I hope this is clear to you. You have to fill up the other 2 questions as an activity now. Please pause the video, finish the 2 questions and come back. Hope you are done with the questions. Now, let's see the answers. Question B, you can see 5 whole cookies here and then 1/4 of a cookie. So, the mixed fraction would be 5 whole cookies, the whole number part is 5 and then 1/4 of the cookie, which is 1 by 4. So, that would be 5, 1 by 4. Now, the corresponding improper fraction would be 5 into 4 or 4 into 5, 20 plus this one, which is 21. So, it is 21 by 4. Hope you got this one correct. Now, question C. Look at the figure in the textbook. You can see 5 whole figures and then in the last figure only 1/3 of the portion is shaded. So, how would you write the mixed fraction corresponding to this? So, it would be 5 whole or 5 the whole number and then 1/3, that would be 1 by 3. So, it is 5, 1 by 3. The corresponding improper fraction is 5 into 3, 15 plus this one, 16. That is 16 by 3. Hope you got all the answers correct. Now, you have to go through the topics converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction and also converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction in page number 94 and 95 of your textbook. Then move on to exercise 6.4. You have to complete all the questions from that exercise, and in page number 96 you can see a value education question there in a purple box, and below that you can see a target Olympiad. Please go through the couple of questions given under that heading as well and do accordingly. So that's all for today, children. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.